Hi! Welcome back to the channel. The adventure you've been waiting for is about to happen. Geek Wife and I are about to go back to Grandma's house, and we're gonna go work on the 67 T-Bird. Will it start? I'm gonna give it my best shot. I'm gonna have none of my own tools, but hopefully Grandma has some, a wrench or something. We'll find out.
My dad has plenty of tools.
All right, so stay tuned for the exciting, hopefully, conclusion of Rescue Grandma's T-Bird here on Geek and Son. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my great pleasure to show you where we are once again, 2 years later. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because that's what keeps us in business, is all this millions and millions of dollars we're making from our YouTube channel. So stay tuned. So here's the car. Got the trunk open. We got a spare. We need to find out first if the engine will even spin. Let me see if we can flip that line on. Can you raise this? Pull it down. No. Maybe see if we can find the light bulb, because I remember the power working. Alright, here's the engine. We need some light. We got a 390 Ford. It does have a radiator cap, which I thought it did not. These canisters are better for the headlights. Belts look intact. Just turn it on and crank it a couple times. Okay, stop. It's getting sparked.
We really should get a picture of the driver, who is 12 years old.
All right, train starter. I guess I can just cut it off. I need one of those helmet light things over they had. Like a... Do we have any pliers or cutters?
There's several pairs of pliers over there.
Don't know. It looks like a fuel filter, if I'm not mistaken. What about a blanket to lay on the side of this so I don't scratch the car with my belt or something?
There's one on the back of the trunk.
Yeah, so here's what we've learned. This is what looks like to be a fuel filter.
Right.
But I need some
least we know.
I need 1.21 gigawatts. This sucker's electrical. I need to get some fuel line, and I'm gonna run a gas can to it. And hopefully that'll fix this problem, so we'll get the fuel. All right, so now we're gonna make a trip to the parts store. All right, yesterday we left off with the battery unhooked. And we cranked it a bunch, put some fluid in it. And today, I'm going to take off that cap and rotor and take a look. And get a good look at the carburetor and the distributor. Points, these are condenser. This is the rotor, just pops right off. This is the cap, these are the plugs. There's one plug not even plugged in, that's bad. Stay in there. This thing spins around and delivers the spark to a different one, which delivers it down there. These are the points, they open and close. In fact, let's see if they open and close when we turn it on. So, first I want to take a picture. This is called vacuum advance. So we need the single points vacuum advance if we get that other one. Let's plug this baby back in. Oh, that's bad. Okay. The power cable-ish. Pretty shocked.
5 gallons of gas right there.
Thank you.
Old gas.
Yeah.
It really stinks.
I'm guessing they put real.
So we're pumping out the old gas that's been in the gas tank for all these years. Look how stinky it is. Don't worry, Tools, I like you better. But when you're in the wilderness, you have to use what you have. And if we're lucky, this power steering pump will pull right off and it'll be out of the way. It's junk anyway. Hold the gas to the floor. Stop.
Not working. Okay. Grandma wants to hear it one more time.
All right, go. Pump it.
Okay. No.
We're getting there.
Sorry. It wants to.
All right, crank it.
Okay, hold on.
Let me have the gas. Let me do the gas. You just crank it.
Okay.
Go. Let there be light, and there was light. Because that's rescued as far as we can get it today. There are no brakes in this car. We're leaving, going back home tomorrow. So we got the camera ready. We got no brakes. Can't pull it out any further. It's gonna be scary to put it back in the garage. So we'll continue to monitor. What? Here we are.
It doesn't even seem like it was ever my car. It's been so long.
Yeah. There you go.